Alright, yeah, so welcome back to another video. It's going to be quite a quick one. I'm just installing the wind deflectors. They go just like that on the window. They look quite cool, quite stealth. They're tinted, obviously. That's the brand. Don't know if you can see it. There you go. That's the brand. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, all that, and yeah. So we are following the instructions that they send us. It's like 8 photos. But the first thing you want to do is just clean the tunnels on both sides. Obviously, whatever has to go in there goes in there well and stuff. So it says to use alcohol, but I just used white spirit and a towel. And you just want to clean where the window goes up all the way around, and obviously the same on the other side. Then just keep the windows up for about an hour or so. So that's the first one on now, as you can see. I think it looks quite nice because it doesn't come out too much. Like, it looks quite flush. So see, you want to repeat the process on the other side. So give it a good clean, take off the tape, put in the clips. Quite a simple mod, but yeah. So we've now got on the passenger side. They're obviously both on now. As I said, like, they're not too aggressive, like sticking out like some of them come out like that. Yeah, I'm really happy with them. Obviously they're like tinted as well, so it matches with the black of the car. I'm chuffed with that. So yeah, obviously it hasn't been like a massive video like that informative. It's been a bit of a waste, but if you have enjoyed, like and subscribe, comment, all of that, and yeah, I'll see you in another one. Cheers.